Ojo. Ojo.
Oh, yes, Papa.
This one, we are doing the same thing at the same time. I hope you are not thinking what I'm thinking.
Oh, yes, Papa.
Because in our family, we are yawning like this.
Yes!
It means blessing is coming.
Papa, this one is not blessing. You are talking about hunger. Papa, I'm hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry, Papa. Hunger. Papa, I'm hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry, Papa.
I'm trying to give you something from our tradition. And you are still doing the same thing.
What is for tradition? Papa, we are hungry. Small time now, you will not be saying you are the head of the family. I'm hungry, Papa.
This promotion, like father, like son, God forbid.